well, Autumn, I'm so excited that you're checking out my page. And just wait till you see what I made today. Wait till you see. Okay, so today's project was kind of a nightmare. It's kind of a nightmare. I've seen other people do this. I'm gonna take this great jacket from the thrift store. Actually, I mean, the jacket was pretty like normal, but the fabric was fantastic. And I thought, I'm gonna take this jacket and I'm gonna flip it into like the cutest summer outfit ever. It's gonna be easy. It wasn't super easy. It wasn't. It was kind of a nightmare. So here's the jacket in question that I found at the thrift store. Could see the perfect summer outfit. So I thought, okay, I'll just hack this thing up and make a cute outfit. Wrong, because it was hard. It was hard, it was hard, it was hard, and it was also hard, super hard. So if I would recommend taking this jacket and turning it into a summer outfit again, I would recommend 0 out of 10. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a picture of the end result. Just kidding, I'm not gonna freaking show you because I'm gonna build suspense because I love suspense. Yeah, you could just fast forward this video, okay? I get it. But like, it's just so much more fun if there's like a little bit of, you know, like, I don't know. You don't know what's coming. Is it gonna work out? Excitement, who knows? I mean, obviously it kind of worked out, but it did turn out different than I thought. First, I'm gonna show you this drawing, this amazing drawing that I drew myself. Ding! Wow. I'm actually pretty proud of it. I added color and everything. Here is like the original idea that I had. I've never made a whole outfit out of a jacket before, but I think I could do it if I get the sleeves out of like a puffy material that's like soft and see-through, and I wanted them to be like 3 puffs, which I've never done before. Then a mini skirt, I thought, well, that'll be so easy. So that's the design. I hope you like my cute little eyes that I put on her. It's like an eyelid plus 1 giant lash, I guess. I don't know. So anyways, while I lived in my own nightmare, I recorded it all so you could watch it unfold. Also, I'm wearing this top that I'm totally in love with. I just did a DIY for it, so click on the link up here if you really like it, or I'll put the link in the bio and you can check it out after this video.
Friends, I'm showing you the jacket again because we don't want to forget what we're dealing with here, okay? This is the original form of the jacket. Take a look at that pretty fabric, though. Very beautiful. I did buy some material for lining and the puffy sleeves because the inside of the jacket was not lined and it was scratchy AF. Taping the dress form is always so magical because it feels like anything's possible and your dream outfit is about to come true and you're making it. But really, I was about to discover that none of this was going to happen. Oh, look, I'm showing off my skirt blocks I made. I thought, I'm going to use these and it's going to make everything easier. No, I never use the skirt blocks, people. This is past Noel, naive, thinking this was all going to work out. So I'm going to show you a short little montage of all these hours I spent designing this that didn't work. Okay, people. After losing 2 full days of my life, I need to feel a little more motivated to get started again. And I guess for me, that means playing my absolutely favorite musical of all time, which I can't play here for copyright reasons, and dancing and singing to it while draping for way too long. But guys, it brought me a lot of joy and got me back on track. So no hate. Okay, this went on for a while. Here we go. Back to sewing. This is what a professional drape looks like. Well, maybe I shouldn't say professional, but doesn't it look fancy? I love it. And you take off each piece and they each look like this. So I get to work creating that into a pattern with the basic skill set that I have. Thank you, baby Jesus. It actually worked out this time, so we can move on to the sleeves. So you might be thinking, Noelle, why are you playing a video of a video? In your video, it's so boring. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to show you what I went through.
I took a craftsy class. Yeah, this is like a sleeve. This is how a sleeve looks if you took it off your shirt. I don't think it has to be like perfectly perfect. Well, it's just a big puffy sleeve. Must keep working. I'm so tired. Why do I have to work at night? Why? Look at this horrible lighting. Like I'm in like a film noir movie. Anyways, whatever. So I now have my basic sleeve pattern. Wahoo! And how you take your basic pattern and you slash and spread it to make it the design that you want.
This is me showing off how I turn a regular sleeve into a puff sleeve, which is a skill that I had to completely learn from scratch. But as you can see, it just keeps growing and growing till it's that big. And there's the original sleeve, and that's how big the new sleeve is. It is finally time to chop up this jacket. So I've got to figure out how to fit all these pieces on it. It was really hard. I had to cut off the sleeves, and the sleeves were mostly like the bodice because the rest of it had to be turned into the skirt. Wow, progress.
If this isn't the coolest outfit I've ever made, I will quit. I will quit. I will quit.
This is when my memory card completely malfunctioned and stopped filming. And because I'm a professional, I only have one. So I decided to stop and clean my room so I felt like I had some small piece of control over my life. We finally built that IKEA furniture, so I'm gonna put all that junk away that's been sitting there for 8 months.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop.
Then suddenly, out of the pile of trash that accumulated in my bedroom, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. If I can build IKEA furniture, I can build this stupid outfit, or at least die trying. So I'm making this as easy as possible, people. Screw the skirt blocks, I'm not using those anymore. I'm freaking pinning this thing to my body, okay? As quickly as I can get this made, it's happening. I appreciate good technique and precision, but this is not one of those times. My aching body finishes the sleeves. I'm actually pretty happy with these. Probably was one of the only joyful experiences during this. And I'm just trying to decide how many puffs I want. Is there such a thing as too many puffs? Please let me know in the comments below. We are so close. All I gotta do is sew this skirt down, and then I gotta attach the sleeve to the bodice, and we are done. I can smell the finish line. Can you feel it, people? It is coming up. It is close. We are almost there.
I can't believe it's done. I'm just like suddenly recognizing that it's done because I'm making this video and I'm like, it's done. Ah! Oh my goodness, the delivery man just dropped off my purse that I bought to match this outfit. Should I open it? Let's just open it. I don't even have to put this in if I don't want to. Oh my gosh, now this has become like an unboxing. I don't care. Oh, cool. Look, it's like wrapped in plastic wrap. But it's like this cool see-through. Fun. Do I look cute? All right, and we'll see how it looks. It's cute.
Everybody's trying to grab the cloud. The sky is falling. Yeah. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud. Yeah. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud.
Grew up in California where the sun shine bright. Nice focus on the prize, come.
Okay, friends, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I never used to like or comment on people's videos because I was a giant beep. No, that's not why. I just actually didn't know that it really helps. So much goes into these videos. Tears, more tears, cussing, a lot of cussing, anger, resentment, darkness, sadness. So many emotions. So please like, comment, and subscribe. That's a wrap. I forgot to turn my mic on for this whole recording. This is what dreams are made of. That is not what I was singing when I was making this outfit.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked.